Apple, Micron, OpenAI, and what some are now calling AI-flation. The artificial intelligence sector is having a rough summer, and Friday's market action showed just how rough. Shares in SoftBank, a major backer of OpenAI, fell nearly 13%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite looked set to extend its losing streak to a fifth straight day. At the center of the turmoil is a report that OpenAI is weighing whether to hold off on its initial public offering until next year. Sam Altman, OpenAI's chief executive, is reportedly drawing a hard line, insisting on a valuation of at least $1 trillion for the company's stock market debut. That kind of delay could send shock waves through the broader IPO market, and some are wondering whether rival Anthropic might get cold feet of its own. It's worth noting that OpenAI's chief financial officer, Sarah Friar, had already raised questions about whether the company was truly ready to go public this year. Meanwhile, Apple has been hit especially hard. Its shares plummeted more than 6% on Thursday after the company announced price increases for its computers and tablets. The culprit: memory chips. Micron, the memory chip maker, reported blockbuster earnings driven by robust demand from hyperscale data center operators. But that same surging demand for Micron's DRAM and NAND flash memory chips is now threatening to make data centers more expensive to build, and to drive up costs for smartphones, factory equipment, and more. An Apple spokesman put it bluntly, quote, "We have never seen a component price increase this much, this quickly," end quote. Hours later, Microsoft announced it would raise prices on its Xbox game consoles too. Analysts are calling this phenomenon AI-flation, and it could complicate central bankers' efforts to keep overall price increases in check. In other news from the corporate world, JP Morgan Chase is going through a major shakeup in its succession planning. Marianne Lake, long considered a top contender to eventually succeed CEO Jamie Dimon, is retiring. Two other insiders, Doug Petno and Troy Rohrbaugh, have been promoted to co-president, narrowing what was once a broader field down to a two-man race. Notably, Rohrbaugh, at 56, is 5 years younger than Petno, a detail that has Wall Street speculating about how the long-term succession timeline might play out. That's the roundup for today. Memory prices are rising, tech giants are raising prices in response, and the path to some of the biggest IPOs in tech history may be getting longer. We'll keep watching how it unfolds.